Today's a special day, man. It's a special day. Today I'm gonna finally get a haircut after 3 months. 3 months of not getting a haircut. Y'all might be wondering why it took me 3 months. Why it took me 3 months to get a haircut. That's why, and I'm gonna tell y'all why. So basically, I told myself I wasn't gonna get a haircut unless I made the money to get a haircut from the markets, right? It took me 3 months to do it, but I finally did it. Like $30, $30. And y'all might be thinking like, damn, $30 not a lot, but $30, I made an $100 account, a live account with $100 in it, and I made $30. That's 30%. If I had a 10K account and I would have made 30% of it, that's 3K. That's like 3K of the whole capital. Like, it's not like, it don't sound like a lot because it's a low amount, but 30% is a lot. I made $30 out of the market, so I can finally get my haircut. I wasn't trying to get too greedy and like go for like a double it or like flip my account. I was just trying to start small and reward myself for making money out of the markets. I've been trading for like a whole year, and like making money and seeing it like physically is like a different feeling. But I'm gonna let y'all see the cut so y'all can see a before and after of my haircut. Let me know if it looks good or not. I'm gonna take the hat off right now so y'all can see my cut. Like, it's kind of bad, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, come on.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
What y'all thinking? My cut fucked up. I even got a little beard growing and everything. That's how long I haven't gotten a cut for. It's crazy. I'm gonna also show y'all the withdrawal email so y'all don't think I'm lying about $30. I don't know why I would do that, but I'm gonna show y'all the cut when I get it, and then I'm gonna show you how I did it or how I made the money out of the market so y'all can do it too. So I'll see y'all later. Yo, I just got done getting a haircut. Let me know what y'all think. Am I looking fresh? I kind of fuck with it, but I don't like how he did my hairline. Like, it looks weird. Like, it's like he didn't shave it up enough. But other than that, it should look nice though. It looks nice. Like I was telling you earlier, it's important to set levels. When you trade, like, you can't come in the market thinking you're gonna make a lot of money and make it fast. You gotta set like small checkpoints, like stepping stones, so you get to where you wanna be at. So I heard like Swaggy C say it. He'd be like, oh, you shouldn't be thinking about getting like $1,000 your first trade. Like, start small, start like getting a haircut. Because at the end of the day, that the market pay for the haircut. Like, that $30 I showed you earlier still paid for my haircut. Those $30 I made from just clicking a button on my phone or my computer or whatever. But it's still money from the markets. Because he used to seeing people showing this crazy amount of money, or you might be trading demo or like a funded account, and you just see like hundreds or thousands go up very fast, and you don't think much of it, but it's real money in the line. $100 is a lot of money. Like, even 30, like 30, you can do a lot with $30. You can buy a meal, or like you can get a haircut, like you can do a lot of shit. Money, like, it still has value. I will also tell you that the advice I will give for people that starting out, like just trading, or like you've been trading for a minute, from my point of view, like, just focus on risk management and psychology. That's the most important. Get a threat and just focus on it. Don't switch up on it. Just focus on your risk management and your psychology. That's the most important thing. Like, other than that, that shit just comes with time. Trust me. You do that over and over every day. Do it every day. You don't give up. Stay by yourself. Grind on it. You work on it. That shit gonna work. Like, no matter what. I even showed you. It took me a whole year just to make $30. I'm gonna put a screenshot too so y'all can see I'm not lying. Like, I really made $30 with $100 on a live account. Like, y'all can also get my broker in the description. I'm gonna leave it down below. But yeah, it just comes to say, like, it took time, but at the end of the day, it's gonna be worth it. All this hard work is gonna pay off eventually. Like, it don't matter how long it takes, it's gonna pay off. You can just come in the market thinking, oh, everything gonna happen fast, quick. Like, that shit take time. Great things gonna take time. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. I'm gonna hop on the chart so I can show y'all like my strat I used to make money with trading. So yeah, I'll see y'all later.
Okay, now that we in the charts, I'm going to show you the strat I use. It's not my strat, like, I didn't make it. I got it from Mamba FX, so shout out to him. I usually do it like any indices, so I stick with US 30 or NAS. Start by just marking out the highs and the lows. Because New York sessions about to open. New York sessions open every day at 9:30 Eastern time. If you're in like the West Coast, it's like 6:30. So yeah, you start by marking out the highs and the lows of last London session. Basically, all you want to see is either a trend line break or a support and a persistence break, and you want to see a lot of volume too. So this is US 30, but we're gonna go to NAS so I can like through it again so y'all can see it better. And you mark out the highs and the lows so you can have an idea where like the price would go. So you can like say your stop loss and you'll take profits. You see, it's a lot of volume right now. You see it broke this trend line. So right now it will sell. I'm gonna sell right here, but I might wait because I don't want to get faked out since the market just opened right now. But yeah, you see, and you will put your take profit right here because the market just opened. It's a lot of volume, but I will wait a little bit though. I don't want to get faked out. You see, I'm gonna do like 117. Yeah, I don't want to do too much because I've been over leveraging a lot. So yeah, you just wait either for a trend break or break on support. And always, you gotta always look out for fake outs because a lot of fake outs happen. So be careful with those. Before you enter any trade, just make sure you see a lot of volume to the downside first. Now look, like these lows right here. I'm gonna mark these lows out too. No, just so I can know. Let's see. You see, I would have got faked out if I would have sold right here. So now we just wait and see. I'm gonna put it right here because it makes more sense right here. So if you can see, it touches more. But you can also go to the 15-minute and see it a little bit more cleaner, like less clutter. So you can see, like, soon as it break this trend line, it's probably gonna go up. It also like to retest after a while. So, but I like to just get out quick. See, it's dropping right now. Love to see that. Go for a 1-4 to a 1-6. That's like the best you could go for. I'm gonna sell right here. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna put my stop loss where I had it before, 250, and my take profit to this low. Let me make sure it's 1-4. Yeah, that's too low. So I'm gonna put it a little bit more. Maybe put it like, I'm gonna just go for 1,000. Fuck it, go straight for 1,000. Stop loss right here. Take profit and confirm. Now you just wait. And also don't trade more than twice a day. Like if you miss the first trade and you see that the market's still going your way, like just wait a little bit and just enter. Like don't rush right to it. Like that's a problem I had too. I would like enter the trade too early and I would get stopped out. Don't try to over trade, don't try to over leverage, just stay disciplined and you should be good. It's an easy strat. And after when it reaches like right here, I'm gonna break even. So even if it goes back up, like there's no losing. Like I won no matter what. So you put it right here. But yeah, like I was saying, staying between my support and my resistance, like you can see right here, bounce off, then it broke, and that's when I entered the trade because it broke. I didn't enter it before because I knew it was gonna fake me out. Like as soon as the market opened, it has to like settle and get all the orders. It usually goes up and down. You know how that shit works. It's like, what time is it? It's 9:36. Y'all can see it right here. So now we just wait for it to reach my TP, and that's it. I would say like trade between 9:30 to 10:30, just like an hour window, and just get out. For this strat, I just like to get out early, just to get my money and get out. And the other thing I like about this strat, like I would lose like not even 1%. I risk like 0.5% of my account because I got a 50K account, as you can see. I would risk like shit like 250 to get like how much? 1,000. That's like a 1-4. You can go for like a 1-6. So even if you lose, like if I win this trade, I can lose 4 trades back to back and I'll still be fine. Like I will lose just the money I made today in one day. I'm just waiting for this trade to hit. Like it could reverse on me too. Like don't get me wrong. Like it happened before, but I'm not really worried about it. But since it was like a push right here, like you can see, like if you would have put your stop loss right here, I mean not your stop loss, your take profit, it would have been closed out because it reached like here. Like I said, it reached the lows, but I want to see it break through. Once you see too much volume, like you just know it's gonna happen. And always put your stop loss above the support because it can always just retest. You don't want to like miss the trade because it retested on the previous level. Practice it on the demo account. Practice it. Just look at it. Go back and back test. Like I can show y'all. I can go back on the chart and show y'all like it happens every day at 9:30. I don't usually trade Fridays because I don't see the point of it, but it always happens. Like it's not that I don't see the point of it. It's like the market be kind of weird on Fridays. So I don't know. It's like you could do it if you want, but it's like a high risk. So just trade from Monday through Thursday. And at first I really struggled with revenge trading too. Like try to not to fall for that. Like, it's not worth it. It's just gonna make your loss bigger. Like you're gonna see like it's gonna be times the market is gonna do what you expected it to do, but you just didn't catch it, or like you got in at the wrong time and got stopped out or wicked out. Just, keep your composure. Wait till the next day. It happens every day. You're not gonna miss out. You see it's going back up. It might stop me out. I could have got out right here. Look like I don't want to pass the lows, but I'm gonna still hold it because I know it's gonna happen. So I'm gonna just wait and just hope for the best. I'm gonna break even right here because I don't think it's going back up. I'm gonna break even, put it right here, and just like that, you won the trade no matter what. Like you can't lose. Like you literally can't lose. Like you see, it's a lot of volume right here. I can hold it and go for like a 1 to 6 right here, but it's not good to get greedy. I don't need more than 1,000 a day, so it's fine, you know. Like right here, it looks like it's going back up, but I'm not worried. I'm not really worried. Like even if I get stopped out, it is what it is. Or just call it a day. At the end of the day, I got to see the strat works. It just, you can't win every trade. That's just what it is. No, you see a lot of volume. We already about to reach TP. We about to hit TP right now. I can go for a 6 of, I can go for a 6 and 1 if I want to, but it's no point. Get out at 1,000 and we call it a day. Don't trade. Just back test a little bit later. You're done for the day. Done. Like it went all the way up here, like damn near my stop loss over here, but don't panic. Like it's all about psychology. Don't ruin it. You can't trade with emotions. Like that's what I learned. But it touched my TP. I don't know why it didn't close, but okay, you see, hit TP. Like, and yeah, that's really it. Y'all see the strategy works, bro. I showed it live, like literally live. I'm gonna go to my profit. You see 1,000 right here on my 50K funded account, and yeah, that's it. You just do that every morning. You don't over leverage. You don't over trade. You trade twice a day. No more than 2 trades a day, and you're fine, bro. Every morning, 9:30 or 9:30 Eastern time. Every morning, Monday to Thursday. Well, I'll see you on the next vid. If y'all got any questions, just comment it down. I'm gonna just try to help you as best as I can. So yeah, y'all be safe. I started recording again real fast just to show y'all. Remember how we marked out the lows earlier? Look, it reached the lows. It went all the way down. Like I told y'all, we could have went for a 1 to 6 and it still would have hit. You see, we marked out the lows. It broke the lows, broke these lows, and now it's just all the way down. That's what you want to see every morning. A lot of volume and keep going down. I'm telling y'all, it's the easiest strat. I don't go for too much because I don't want to get greedy. But I knew it was gonna reach these lows eventually because it always happens. Like if you backtest and you see it, it always happens. Now for real though, y'all be safe. And if y'all got questions, just let me know. Peace.